Toyota Land Cruiser 2026 stands as a remarkable testament to the evolution of power, luxury, and technology within one of the most iconic SUV lineages in automotive history. For decades, the Land Cruiser has embodied adventure, reliability, and prestige, commanding respect on and off the road. The 2026 model redefines this legendary status by blending Toyota's unmatched engineering with a bold contemporary design and cutting-edge innovations that push the boundaries of what an SUV can achieve. It symbolizes the future of mobility, where durability meets elegance and performance harmonizes with sustainability. The Land Cruiser 2026 is not merely a vehicle. It is a reflection of Toyota's commitment to progress and perfection, designed for those who value strength, sophistication, and intelligence in motion. The first impression of the Land Cruiser 2026 leaves an unforgettable mark. Its presence is powerful yet graceful, radiating authority through every line and curve. The front fascia has been completely redesigned, featuring a massive grille with chrome accents that give it an assertive stance, while that LED matrix headlights provide both sharp aesthetics and superior illumination. The sculpted hood and widened fenders enhance its muscular character, creating a bold symmetry between elegance and aggression. The aerodynamic silhouette not only contributes to its commanding appearance, but also improves efficiency and stability at higher speeds. Every detail, from the distinctive alloy wheels to the dynamic taillight design, has been carefully refined to project confidence and modern luxury. The Land Cruiser 2026 continues Toyota's legacy of performance excellence. Underneath its refined exterior lies a powerful yet efficient hybrid powertrain that delivers outstanding torque, responsiveness, and reliability. Toyota has integrated its advanced hybrid system with a robust engine that ensures smooth acceleration and superior fuel efficiency. This innovation represents Toyota's ongoing dedication to reducing emissions while maintaining its hallmark off-road capabilities. The Land Cruiser 2026 is not just powerful, it is intelligently powerful. Its advanced four-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and terrain response settings allow it to conquer any environment, from city streets to deserts and mountain trails. The integration of electronic differential locks and intelligent traction management ensures complete control, even in the most challenging conditions. Stepping inside the cabin of the Toyota Land Cruiser 2026 reveals a world of refined comfort and smart technology. The interior is crafted with meticulous precision, featuring premium leather upholstery, soft-touch materials, and brushed metal accents that create a seamless balance between ruggedness and sophistication. The spacious seating layout ensures maximum comfort for every passenger, with ventilated and adjustable seats offering a personalized driving experience. Ambient lighting, multi-zone climate control, and noise reduction insulation transform the interior into a sanctuary of calm and luxury. Every element within the cabin reflects Toyota's attention to human-centered design, ensuring that functionality meets aesthetic appeal in perfect harmony. Technology takes center stage in the Land Cruiser 2026 with an infotainment system that is both intuitive and immersive. A large, high-resolution touchscreen serves as the hub of the vehicle's advanced features, including navigation, connectivity, entertainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration ensure seamless smartphone connectivity, while Toyota's smart voice assistant allows hands-free control of key functions. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable information layouts for enhanced driver awareness, and a head-up display projects essential data directly onto the windshield for distraction-free driving. The premium sound system, tuned by expert audio engineers, delivers a rich, theater-like audio experience that complements the serenity of the interior. Safety has always been a core pillar of the Land Cruiser legacy, and the 2026 model elevates that reputation even further. Equipped with the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense, it includes an array of intelligent driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The 360-degree camera system offers complete visibility around the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering effortless even in tight spaces. Advanced sensors and radar-based technologies anticipate potential hazards before they occur, ensuring that both driver and passengers remain protected in all situations. The engineering philosophy behind the Toyota Land Cruiser 2026 focuses not only on performance and safety, but also on sustainability. With global environmental consciousness on the rise, Toyota's integration of hybrid technology represents a forward-thinking step toward a greener future. The hybrid system reduces fuel consumption and carbon emissions, while maintaining the power and endurance that have defined the Land Cruiser for generations. It is a vehicle built for the modern age, where responsibility and innovation coexist seamlessly. One of the defining aspects of the Land Cruiser 2026 is its adaptability. It caters to a diverse range of driving preferences and lifestyle. Whether you're exploring off-road terrains, navigating city streets, or embarking on long-distance journeys, it adjusts effortlessly to deliver consistent comfort and control. The upgraded suspension system absorbs shocks with precision, providing a smooth and composed ride even on uneven surfaces. The steering feels refined and responsive, reflecting the SUV's engineering maturity. This balance of strength and sophistication makes the Land Cruiser 2026 equally suited for adventure seekers and luxury enthusiasts alike. From the outside world to the smallest details within the cabin, the Land Cruiser 2026 exudes refinement. The rear seats can be electronically folded to create a vast cargo space, accommodating both passengers and luggage with ease. The power tailgate, ambient interior lighting, and intelligent keyless entry system add to the convenience and exclusivity of the driving experience. The panoramic sunroof allows natural light to flood the cabin, enhancing the sense of openness and connection with the environment. Toyota's attention to ergonomics ensures that every control, switch, and interface is precisely positioned for ease of use. In the broader context, the Toyota Land Cruiser 2026 represents a new era of global automotive excellence. It continues a heritage that spans over 7 decades, one built on reliability, endurance, and trust. But this time, Toyota has gone further by reimagining what a Land Cruiser can be in the modern world. It is stronger, smarter, and more sustainable than ever before, yet it retains the heart and soul that made it an icon. This model pays homage to its roots while confidently stepping into the future, embracing innovation without losing identity. For longtime fans, the Land Cruiser 2026 brings nostalgia and excitement together. For new buyers, it presents an irresistible opportunity to experience one of the world's finest SUVs. It is more than transportation. It is an experience, an embodiment of ambition, comfort, and craftsmanship. Its hybrid heart, robust design, and futuristic interior place it in a class of its own, redefining what luxury adventure truly means. This video by Gear Era explores the Toyota Land Cruiser 2026 in complete depth, from design and performance to specifications and features. We dive into its powerful hybrid engine, intelligent safety systems, luxurious interior details, and off-road dominance to show why this SUV stands out as one of the most capable vehicles of our time. Every angle, every feature, and every technological advancement tells the story of how Toyota continues to lead the world of automotive innovation with precision and purpose. At Gear Era, we bring you the most detailed car reviews, honest comparisons, and exclusive insights from the automotive world. Visibar, our mission is to keep you informed and inspired by the latest advancements in performance, design, and technology. Whether it's the launch of a futuristic supercar or the evolution of an iconic SUV like the Land Cruiser, Gear Era is your destination for premium automotive storytelling. We believe that every vehicle has a story to tell, and we make sure it's told with passion, clarity, and authenticity. The Toyota Land Cruiser 2026 is a chapter in that story, one that celebrates the perfect fusion of power, luxury, and innovation. It reminds us that the journey is as important as the destination, and that the spirit of exploration lives on in every turn of its wheels. Stay connected with Gear Era for more reviews, automotive insights, and updates on the vehicles shaping the future of driving. If you love cars that combine intelligence with inspiration, engineering with emotion, then this channel is made for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gear Era to be part of a community that appreciates the art and evolution of driving. Your road to automotive excellence begins here, with the Toyota Land Cruiser 2026 leading the way toward a smarter, stronger, and more luxurious future.